Hi guys, today's topic is commitment. So I'm talking about this because I know what it's like to say, hey, yes, we're gonna do that. Yes, I'll get that done. Yes, I will be at that thing, and then not following through. And I am tired of it. I'm tired of accepting that for myself. I'm tired of accepting it from you guys. I'm tired of accepting that we don't follow through on commitments. And I don't know where that started, when that decided that it was okay, but I want to talk about it in terms of commitments to yourself. So when we commit to ourselves, whether we say we're going to do a specific diet or we're going to start a workout routine or whatever else, we're going to do self-care, if we're making appointments, we're talking to fitness coaches or health coaches, we're going to a meal planning workshop, saying that we're going to do that and then not following through. It is the biggest insult to yourself. And I mean insult, I truly mean insult, because you are saying that you're going to do something for yourself, that you are your biggest priority, that what you're doing is important, and then saying that's not with your actions. So I want to challenge you, no matter what it is, and you're going to put it down in the comments, whether you're watching the live or you're watching the replay. I want you to decide on something that you're going to do. That may be today, it may be this week, it may be a long-term thing. What are you going to commit to? Are you going to commit to your workout today? Are you going to commit to eat the prep meal that you ate? Are you going to schedule a call with a health coach to get more clarity and more help? What are you going to commit to? And it might even be something as simple as, I'm going to commit to only one more cup of coffee, and that's okay. What are you going to commit to? Put it in the comments, put it out to the world, put it out to Facebook that you are going to do this. And then when you do that, when you do the thing, it's cool to say that we're going to do the thing, but once you actually do the thing, I want you to come back to this video and I want you to reply to your comment. Reply to your comment that you did it. And even put how you feel about finishing a commitment that you started, that you set for yourself. Okay, and I'll say it at the end of this video again. But when we commit something to ourselves, when we prioritize ourselves and we don't follow through, that is the biggest insult to ourselves. Because it's different when we have all these people around that we say, yeah, we're going to do this. Yeah, we're going to go to the thing. Yeah, we're going to do this. And we disappoint them. When you promise something to yourself and you don't show up for yourself, you're disappointing yourself. You are disappointing the biggest boss in your life, the biggest priority in your life, by not following through on that action, by not saying, I am going to be there. And I don't mean rescheduling. I don't mean pushing it back and saying tomorrow, because guess what? Tomorrow is not going to be here. Tomorrow is never going to come. It's the biggest thing, one of the biggest things that I took out of one of Rachel Hollis's book. If you haven't read Girl Stop Apologizing yet, do it now. Like, order it on Amazon right now. If that's your commitment, put it in the comments. I'm going to buy Rachel Hollis's book, I'm going to read it, and I'm going to put that into action, if that's your commitment. But the biggest thing, there's a chapter in there about tomorrow is a lie. Saying that I'm going to do something tomorrow, even though I could get it done right now, I could do it today, is a lie to yourself. And it's not going to get you anywhere. It's not going to get you the body you want. It's not going to give you the sleep that you want. It's not going to give you the energy that you want. It's not going to give you anything worth having. And all you've done is disappoint yourself and show yourself that you're not ready, that you are not here to show up for yourself, that you're not going to show up for yourself, you're not going to show up for your health. And that means you can't show up for anyone else either. If we're not showing up for ourselves, if we're not showing that we are a priority, that we're full, focused, and content with ourselves, we can't show up for anyone else in our life. That means work. That means family, our kids, our friends, anyone who needs our help. For me, my clients. My clients cannot get anything from me if I haven't prioritized myself and filled my cup, had a good night's sleep, eaten regularly, eaten good food, drink my water, go to my workout, This morning I forgot my tripod at the gym and I had to drive all the way back to the gym, even though I got my workout done 3 hours before normal today. I made a commitment to myself. I followed through on that commitment. So now I can be on this live and be here fully for you, 100% for you, to give you this information, to call you out and say, where are you not showing up? Where are you committing and not showing up in your life? Is it in your health? Is it in your meal prepping? Is it in your workouts? Is it in your drinking your water? Is it in your sleep? Where are you not showing up where you've placed a commitment? Where are you not following through for yourself? Because again, when we don't follow through for ourselves and we don't follow through on those commitments and show up and be full focused and content, we cannot do that for anyone else in our life. It all starts with us. Our priority starts with us. And moms, I'm talking to you the loudest. You cannot show up for your families unless you have first showed up for yourself. Full, focused, and content. So I'm going to say it again. What are you going to commit to today? Whether you're watching the live right now or you're watching the replay, what are you going to commit to? Be it today, this week, make it today. Let's make it today. What are you going to commit to today? And then once you've done that, come back to your comment, reply to your comment, and say how good it feels to have followed through, to show up for yourself in that commitment. And now what you're able to go do for others. So drop that in the comment. I want those commitments. The commitment of the comment, we're holding you to that, to show up for yourself, to show up for others, to show up where you need to, where you are full, focused, and content. All right, guys. My commitment today was this video. This is me showing up. I am showing up for you guys because I've already showed up for myself today. Show up for yourself to show up for others. That's all I got for you today.